Hello, beautiful listener. It is 12:23 a.m. on the 1st of January 2024. I am currently tucked up in bed. I didn't venture out for any New Year's shenanigans. I put my little ones to sleep and I have a fairly big wholesale order that I need to have ready before Wednesday. So I've spent the New Year on the phone to my cousin while I poured the last 11 candles of the order. And yeah, so I brought the New Year in making candles, ironically. A couple of days ago, I had a really big slump and didn't feel very motivated, and then my stockist put in a massive order, and it really gave me the motivation to kind of get up and go again when I was feeling kind of really, I guess, slack and couldn't really hype myself up. So yeah, the last couple of days have really kind of seen me pick back up. I've pulled out my planner. If you haven't seen my video I did on Planner Piece, I've been using this planner, chucking in to-do lists and using just notepaper and stuff to jot out what wax quantities and fragrance oils I need for each batch, which has been good, and just popping it in next to the day, which has been handy. But yeah, I've got some really exciting things happening. I don't want to announce just yet, but really, really soon I will, I promise. The other thing is I'm going to be filming, hopefully first thing in the morning, depending on how my kiddos cooperate. I'm going to be filming the aroma kit, candle making kit. I've noticed since going on their website that they've actually added a couple of different types of kits. But this one's the original one that they had that uses the medium Oxford jars, I believe, and HTP wicks and Denali wax. So yeah. Pardon me. Ugh. So I'm going to hopefully get that filmed tomorrow, if not the next day for sure. But definitely aiming for tomorrow. Wednesday I've got to drop my order off to the florist, and then I've got to put in some orders with Long Story Short. So I might actually film doing that order. I'm low on quite a few things. So yeah, I may film a little bit of that. So I've got to order some vessels. So I realised I'm getting low on transparent and matte black vessels. Sorry, I keep yawning. I'm just very, 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 very tired, but I wanted to jump on because I know that I've been silent on here and just say hello, Happy New Year, and that things are still chugging along. I'm going to have quite a few things to chat about here in the next couple of weeks. I'm hoping it'll be next week, just depending on a few little things that I will let you know what's going on. Very excited. But yeah, business is going really well. Candle making is going great. I'm also currently planning, kind of looking a little bit further into the year as far as a special edition candle for September. I keep saying, I think I said next year, but I mean this year. Candle for September. I'm planning around that, but I'm sure there'll be plenty more in the meantime. And then I've also just released a new candle called Sweet Nothings, which is like a vanilla caramelly type fragrance, and it is gorgeous. But yeah, so the immediate plans are finishing off these candles, taking them into my stockist in the city, ordering more labels and care cards and swing tags and so on for my card diffusers, and filming the candle making kit from Aroma, and then hopefully I'll have next week to be able to share some very, 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 very exciting news. Alright, big love, guys. I know this is only a short one, and yeah. Alright, catches.